Hey guys, Glenn with Glenn's Auto Performance here. I wanted to shoot a quick video this morning to show you guys a new product that we've got online. This is one I'm pretty excited about. So this is MPI's Race Hub, designed for C5, C6 Corvette applications, or for applications that use that generation of hub assembly for some of their aftermarket parts, like the Rytec AFE X spindle or some of the Detroit Speed uprights or spindles that utilize the Corvette hubs. So MPI wanted to develop a hub assembly that was significantly stronger than the OEM hub assembly, but remained a cost-effective alternative to like the SKF or the AFE X-Tracker hubs. And that's what we've got here. So I actually ended up discovering this brand when I was in pursuit of upgraded hubs for my Z06. And I didn't want to really swing the money for the X-Trackers because I'm not, I don't really hardcore track that car like some guys do. But I definitely wanted a better hub than OE. So that's how I came across the MPI. And this is a pretty exciting product offering, in my opinion. So we've got these now set up on the site and available for purchase. And I just wanted to show you guys kind of what we're looking at here and some of the features of it. So first and foremost, big issue on the original Corvette hub assemblies was distortion of this flange here. The original hub is significantly thinner. So these MPI hubs are 0.475 thick here, a lot beefier than the originals. And that's a feature that you guys are probably familiar with if you've ever handled the X-Tracker hubs. They have the thicker flange just like this. So that's a nice feature. It prevents, sometimes these will even crack on the original hubs, but they definitely flex and distort. You start getting any sort of traction up front and putting them in on the track or on the autocross course where you're putting a pretty good load on the front, they will flex and distort. So big upgrade there. Second component to this is MPI utilizes a packed hub assembly that is very similar to the OEM C6 ZR1 hubs, which those got upgraded hubs from the factory to handle not only the power but the track use of that car. So they're utilizing basically ZR1 hub pack design inside their assembly, which is a better and more robust design compared to the original hubs as well. So online, we've got them available just out of the box like this one. It comes with, ready to go with wheel studs pressed in it, OEM spec studs. But we also offer the option to add to your purchase the ARP extended studs. These are the 3 1/4 inch long. We also have 2.5 inch long extended stud options available for the guys that are wanting to use a hardened stud or an extended stud, which I definitely recommend if you're doing any sort of track work, or especially if you're running any sort of spacers on the application. Not only do we offer the option just to add them, but for a $50 charge per hub, if you want us to go ahead and press them in for you, we can do that before we ship them. So I do offer the service to not only include the ARP studs if you want to press them in yourself, but also if you don't want to fool around with pressing them in, or you just want to save the time, for $50 a hub, you can have us press those in for you before we ship them. So that's a look at those two side by side there. I will get one of the original hubs off the car here in a bit, and I will kind of show you side by side with the original, kind of what these look like, so you can see just how much thicker this flange is. So we've got that OEM hub off of there, and I just wanted to show you how much thicker the MPI flange is than the OE. Kind of tough to tell by video. We've got the calipers here. Sort of 375-ish. The MPI hub, 475. So that'll help a lot with distortion going on with these. Now, I wanted to address kind of the ideal usage here. So where these are really going to shine is for guys that are looking for an upgraded hub assembly, but don't do enough hardcore track work to necessarily justify spending the $480, $500 a hub that the X-Trackers are going to run them. Now, don't get me wrong. The SKF X-Tracker is still the gold standard. It's been around a long time. It's well proven. They're definitely kind of hands down the best hubs that you can put on these cars or on an application that takes the Corvette hub assemblies. But that's a tough pill to swallow. You're talking almost basically $2,000 if you're doing all four corners, or $1,000 if you're just doing the front. These MPI hubs, they are $259.99 from us. That includes shipping anywhere within the lower 48. That's as they come. Obviously, if you want the ARP studs, that's a bit more. But, you know, that's almost half the price point of the X-Trackers, which we offer as well. So if you want the X-Tracker hubs, we've got those too. But if you're, you know, doing the occasional track day, the occasional autocross session, you're not living at the track. And when I say that, I mean you're not doing 10, 15, 20 plus hardcore track days a year at 10/10ths, then these are a nice alternative that'll save you some money, but offer you a significantly improved hub design over the OEM. So again, if you're a hardcore track guy, you're really running 10/10ths every time you're out, you're doing 10 plus track days a year, you might want to spring for the X-Trackers. Or you might want to run the X-Trackers in the front, which typically are subject to a little bit more stress than the rear, and maybe save a little bit of money and you put the MPIs on the rear. Even in those hardcore applications, they'll hold up great in the rear because they have additional stability from the axle nut that helps kind of tie everything together for a little bit more rigidity, and they're just not subject to the same stress that they are on the front. But otherwise, if you just want an upgrade, or you do the occasional autocross day or the occasional HPDE with your car and you want a better hub assembly, it's going to hold up better, that's where these shine. That's the target market for these, at least for us, is guys that are looking for an intermediate option between OEM and the X-Tracker hubs. It'll save them some money, but still offer them a significantly better hub assembly than the original. Let me know what you guys think. Again, available online. Excited for this one. And if there's anything else I can help with or any questions, just give me a shout.